Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today we have here a pressure washer from Greenworks. So this happens to be the Greenworks Pro 2200 PSI. Okay, so and this one is from Costco again. So generally they have like two different models on sale. So one is the 2100 PSI and this one is the Pro model which comes with 2200 PSI. So yeah, so this is the model we have here today, and we are going to do the unboxing and show you guys the things it comes with, and we'll talk about more on how this pressure washer is. So yeah, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so now the first thing we have to do is connect this front panel with the handlebar. So let's take this out. And then finally you have to screw these spaces, and here we have to screw these 4 holes, and then we should be good to go. And to find the screws they have given us here, there are total 4 screws. So I will take 4 of them now. Okay, so now that these 4 screws are tightened up, and then the next is to hook this attachment. This is actually your water hose holder. So what you have to do is turn this back and use these 2 things at the top. So at the top portion here, there are 2 holes. You just have to put this thing here, and that's it. Okay, so do it like this. So you can put your water hose here for a storage purpose. Okay, so that's done. The next thing we have here to attach this power cable holder, and to do that, first you need to align these 2 things here. Okay, so as you can see here, this hole, it will be at the top, same like this one. Okay, so just like this. And once it is here, it will go on the right hand side. Okay, so just like this. So before we do that, first get the screws out from here. So there's 1 washer and 1 screw. So and that's it. It will go all the way in, and it will come out from here. Same goes here. Perfect. So now it is there, and then you just have to align the screw and put it inside. Okay, so as you can see here, this one is tightened up. So perfect. So this one is all tightened up, and this is good to go. So this one is done. This one is done. Now the leftover is, and again, this is nice to see that they have given us 1 more extra parts in case you need it. So yeah, so the next one is this pressure washer hose adapter. This one. Okay, so these are the two screws, goes here, and okay, this will go like this. Okay, so not sure if it is visible. So as you can see here, these are the two holes. And okay guys, now the final is the wheel part. So we have two wheels here. Now let's go ahead and find this pouch where you have two axles, and you will also find two washers and two pins, okay, which will go at the end of the axle. So keep this to here. Now when you have these wheels here, like this, you don't need to have the washer installed on this part. The washer will go actually here on the other side, okay. So like this. So get this second wheel also ready. That's it. So now that you have the wheels ready, you can go ahead and put this wheel here. Perfect. Now that you have the wheels here installed, final thing to lock these wheels are to install these pins. So there's a hole already here, as you can see on this side, just at the end of the axle. So go ahead and try to install this pin. Just like push them all the way forward to make sure they are locked in place. Here you go. So that's all done. I'll do the same on the other side. That's it. So the pins are installed, this thing is there, and coming back to the electric cord, as you can see here, this is huge. So there you go. So that's the electrical cable holder, and you have the water hose holder here, and the power washer nozzle. You can hold it here. So the last piece I have here is the turbo nozzle. Okay, so I'll put it here, and as you can see, they have given us like different type of nozzles already here, which is, this is the turbo one, this is used for the soap, and then you have a 40-degree adapter, which is for your car wash. Then you have a 25-degree, then you have a 15-degree. Okay. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and install the washer, the pressure washer wand. Okay, so that's it. So you just have to take this one out, and there you go. So basically, not sure if it is visible. It just goes here. We just have to put a little bit of pressure to jam this in place, and then basically just have to move this thing and it will take care. And that's it. Once it's tight enough, you're all good to go. So, and as you have seen here, here, so that sits in place, and you're all set. So now, so this is the front portion. This front panel here, this is the water intake from your water system. So this will go here, and you have to connect this one from the back side. So let me turn this around. Okay. Not sure if it is visible, so it's right here. Okay, so it's right here. You just have to plug this one here, and the other piece we'll go to the pressure washer band. Okay, so that's it. So okay guys, so a couple of things I forgot to mention on this product. So first of all, this particular one, which is the Pro model, comes with a 2200 PSI that has a brushless motor. So that's something new I'm seeing on this one, because the other one I have from Costco, 2200 PSI, that one did not have a brushless motor. Okay, so yeah, so that's a cool thing it has. So as you can see here, that's a brushless motor, 2200 PSI. The other thing I'm seeing here is this jet flow technology. So by looking at the branding and all this, it looks like it will be performing more good compared to the other one, but I'll again have a different video showing you guys like how does it perform. And yeah, so that's one thing here. And the other thing I'm seeing here, like the previous one, which you can see here, I have it hidden. So that had a push button to start and turn it off. So, and as you can see here, this one does not have a jet flow technology or the brushless motor. So but the new one is having a different technology altogether. And here you go, the buttons are different. So here there is no push button, so to turn it on you just have to rotate it here, and that's it. So yeah, that's something I wanted to mention. And again, this has more GPM. So this has 2.3 GPM, okay, gallon per minute water flow. So that's one thing to keep in mind. The other one I have, let me check how much it is. It's 1.2 GPM. So that's a huge difference in water flow. So that's something you have to make sure you are paying attention to. So that's one thing. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys for now. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot, and I'll try to make sure I answer all the questions you might have on this video, and I'll try to make one more video showing you guys how does it work and how does it perform. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you. Okay everyone, so the pressure washer is all set and ready to be used. So now what I have done is, first thing first, I have connected this water connection, okay, so to the front side. So as you can see here, the front portion is for the water connection, so it's tight and secure. And I've also connected the pressure washer cable here. So as you can see, this goes to the back side of the pressure washer, so it's connected here. And now I've also connected the other part of the pressure washer cable to the pressure washer wand I have here. So that's connected. And finally the electrical cable. So surprisingly, the very good part about this particular unit is that cable is super long, so you will not have any issues connecting to the power outlet. As you can see here, my machine is here, but the power cable goes all the way to the power outlet there, and I still have some cable left which I have kept it here. So that's one thing. And that's it. So it's time to start the machine. Okay, so now the power connection is on, and first thing you have to do is make sure, because in the instruction manual it also mentions that do not turn on the machine until the power supply, the water supply is turned on. Okay, so first thing first, turn the power supply on. Okay, now that's completely on, and then we have to turn on the machine. Okay, so but before doing that, I'm going to use one of these adapters. So for my testing, I'll use this. So I'm right now basically about to clean this mat, so I'm not sure which one should I use, but I'll go with this 25. Okay, okay, so this one is installed, so it's ready to be used. Now finally it's time for this to be started. So okay, that's it. So it has enough power now. So this is again an automatic machine, so the moment you use this trigger, then only this machine turns on and gets the pressure belt, and once you release the trigger it again shuts down. So that's one thing I'll be testing here as well. So let's start. So wow, that's a lot of pressure. That's really a lot of pressure, guys. See, the moment you release the trigger it turns off. So that's really good thing. Okay, so yeah, that's all from the testing part. So not sure what else I can do here, but again, for your information, there are a couple of other adapters. So we have turbo here. If you are cleaning any concrete or some sort of stuff, you can use that. You can also use this 15-degree nozzle as well. And other than that, we have a soap, 40-degree for car, this 25-degree for fence and everything, and this 15-degree. So that's it for now, guys.